Today I'm going to show you a full review of Funding Traders Prop Firm, where we'll break down the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Funding Traders Prop Firm Review: Pros and Cons. Funding Traders is a proprietary trading firm founded in 2023. The idea is simple: you pass their evaluation and then you get access to trade using the firm's capital instead of your own. Sounds great, right? Let's see what they offer. Pros: First, the profit sharing is very attractive, with splits ranging from 80% to even 100% if you purchase certain add-ons. Second, their scaling plan allows traders to grow accounts all the way up to $2 million. Third, the trading conditions are flexible. You can hold trades overnight, over weekends, and even use strategies like expert advisors, swing trading, or news trading with some limitations. There's also no requirement for mandatory stop losses. Another big plus is their evaluation structure, offering both one-step and two-step options with no time limits, which is rare. Finally, they provide several platform choices including MT5, TradeLocker, and DXTrade. Cons: On the flip side, Funding Traders is still very new with limited history since being founded in 2023. While they have a solid 4.5 Trustpilot score, some traders report issues with rule enforcement, especially the 2% maximum loss rule per trade. Others have noted slow payouts, account closures, and a lack of transparency around which broker they use. Customer support is available 24/7, but some users say responses are delayed. Lastly, certain strategies are banned, such as arbitrage, martingale, and HFT, and funded traders must place at least one trade every 30 days. Tip: Before joining, read their rules carefully, especially the risk limits, and start with a smaller challenge to test the system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.